we can work hand in hand with our customers, understanding their needs from an application perspective and understanding what the most efficient way is going to be to turn this component into a powder metal component.
We're able to very thoroughly understand what a product needs to be, what the customer needs in that product, in its application.
We approach things outside of the box. Every situation is unique. Every situation is for our customer's application and their specific challenges that they're currently facing.
We usually meet as a group and everybody collaborates together on what needs to be done for their portion of the what we're going to be manufacturing, and it kind of collaborate together to resolve any issues.
Our challenge is asking the right questions in terms of what do you really need for that specific application. And so we really need to decide what are the minimum properties that you need, but we're going to put a safety factor on that and then recommend with this safety factor of a higher strength, does that meet your application?
We pride ourselves on the very tight tolerance products that we manufacture. The breadth of componentry that we can manufacture gives us an opportunity to be able to provide many solutions and have a lot to be able to pull from to offer a customer.
We got a new product a couple years ago, and it's in shape of a fan, and it's actually a steering mechanism for a tractor. We worked with a customer to develop a part that we could manufacture in our facility. We thought we could, and with a couple different changes, a couple different issues we had with pressing the part, we worked with the customer. It's a really good customer to work with, and we got the problems resolved, and we're manufacturing them now.
We have a very wide variety of engineers, a very wide variety of experienced personnel here who not only have experience in our industry, in many years in our industry, but they also have experience, in the automotive world, in the fluid power world.
Specifically, we can make almost any shape that you want from a die standpoint. The punches that come in from the top and bottom will give you the certain features in those two faces. Core rods, of course, and again, realize a core rod can be square, it can be rectangular, it can be the normal geometric shape, but it doesn't have to be. You have the opportunity to make that any shape that you want also. So there's complete freedom in the shape, in that dimension.
If a part is supposed to fit in something they have to assemble, they want it to be accurate. So if we've done all our checks, and important for us to meet all the checks and sign off on them, that's important for them not to do any sorting or receiving the parts just to go with their assembly or move on with what the next process our customer has to do with them.
We bring our knowledge base on the material and our processing to bear. Again, the focus is to make a consistent product today and 10 years from now. And it's that reputation of consistency that is really, I think, the driving force, the growth within our company.
We're not selling off-the-shelf product. We're selling custom engineered components. So part of that process is working with the customers very closely, and not just purchasing, but their engineering staff, understand exactly what they need and how we could best address those needs.